It's a very aromatic dish with rice and meat or vegetables with a lot of spices. Okay, let me start. This is cloves. This is star anise. This is cardamom. This is cumin, fennel, coriander powder, turmeric, chili powder, salt of course, and bay leaves.
We're starting our chicken biryani and we have added onions to the ghee.
Yes. And in a few minutes, I'll be adding the rest of the spices. Okay, this is biryani being prepared and we are adding the dry spices, cinnamon, cloves, the star anise, the cardamom, the cumin, and the fennel for now. Okay, you're going to give it a good stir. Let it all let out its juices and aroma. And then we'll add the powders and then the tomatoes. Coriander powder and the turmeric and the chili powder. Okay, I'm going to saute it nicely and then add the tomatoes. I'm holding the salt for later. Okay. A handful of fresh coriander and mint leaves.
And we also know coriander as cilantro.
Cilantro.
Are these
Yes.
equal amounts?
Yes.
Equal amounts,
Yes.
a handful of equal amounts of cilantro and cumin.
Okay, now I'm adding the salt. And you can add more as you fish or seaweed, whatever, vegetables. Okay, now I'm going to add the soaked basmati rice. I washed it and I soaked it for about 10-15 minutes in tepid water. Okay, so why I'm kind of stressing that, because remember we had, was it Turkish, that we had boiling hot water for the rice. Oh, that's the only thing, in case you all came to that class. Now I'm adding that. Now, and then when I made the other rice, the rest of the chicken and 2 minutes ago. Okay.
Coconut milk?
Yes. Ratio for the rice and any liquid. You could add bone broth, you could add chicken broth, you could add water, you could add coconut milk. So I am going to add the coconut milk.
There's more in the can. Do you want that also?
Yes, I need to add 2 cups for 1 cup. Okay.
And this is canned, adding canned coconut milk to the rice mixture. Add about a teaspoon of salt.
Yeah.
Now, ordinarily, you would put your chicken in and saute it before you add your rice.
Exactly.
Okay,
To make the rice, keep the rice wet,
Separate.
separate.
so some lemon or lime juice is added and squeezed into this to keep the rice separated.
Yes. And I'm going to cover it pretty tight with the foil and then put it in an oven.
Cecily has removed this from the oven. She's checking it. She stirred it around a little. And what's the diagnosis, doctor?
Diagnosis is 10 more minutes.